Welcome to ConsciousBuyer TV. Today, we'll be evaluating the top 5 car camera models with superior features for you. Keep watching this video to find out which car camera is best suited for you. Number 1. Garmin Dash Cam. His small yet powerful camera captures stunning footage in 1440p HD resolution, regardless of whether it's under the blazing sun during the day or in dark, rainy conditions. Moreover, it's equipped with vault storage backup and the ability to access the camera from anywhere in the world through Garmin's smartphone app. It keeps an eye on you even when your vehicle is parked, and this applies not only when driving, but also when cycling, running, walking, or spending time outdoors. Garmin's Connect app serves as a fantastic hub for your overall health and well-being, and you can find the same user-friendly experience in the Garmin Drive app as well. Now, it doesn't matter where you've parked your car because you can access live camera footage from your phone. The Garmin Dash Cam 67W's ability to capture 4K 1440p video automatically kicks in when an event or collision is detected. Additionally, recording starts when a collision is detected by the G sensor. Interaction with the device is done through 4 small buttons on the side. However, the camera is so small that the buttons are also small. Therefore, interacting with the device while driving isn't very practical. Thankfully, setup is quite easy, and once configured, you can place the device next to the rearview mirror. The battery life lasts for about 30 minutes, but the camera quickly shuts off. For longer monitoring, a constant power source is needed. In addition to these features, the Garmin Dash Cam 67W's ability to connect via Wi-Fi is noteworthy. When connected to a Wi-Fi network at home, work, or anywhere else, recorded clips are automatically uploaded to Garmin's vault storage. However, to use these features, you need to be connected to a Wi-Fi network. Additionally, you may need to pay for a cloud storage plan. Also, the device needs to be constantly connected to a power source. In conclusion, the Garmin Dash Cam 67W stands out with its compact design and powerful features. With its stylish design and high-quality video recording, it provides complete peace of mind in terms of security and safety. If you're looking for a small-sized car camera, the Garmin Dash Cam 67W is definitely an option to consider. Number 2. Nextbase 622. First of all, thanks to the built-in polarizing filter in the 622, you can capture excellent quality 4K videos in any condition. This means that you can easily see license plates and vehicle details in all weather conditions. Equipped with voice commands and the What 3 Words emergency location feature, this device can be a real lifesaver for drivers in emergencies. Moreover, thanks to the new Umbrella H22 quad-core chipset, the 622G allows you to capture clear 4K footage at 30 FPS. Not only that, but a removable polarizing filter has also been added to minimize reflections, resulting in fantastic images. This device can also be used with a rear camera module, recording in 1080p. Additionally, with Amazon Alexa integration, you can take photos with voice commands. Just say, "Alexa, tell my dash cam to take a picture," and the camera will do the job. The interface of the Nextbase 622GW is very user-friendly. With its 3-inch color touchscreen display, you can easily navigate between menus. Plus, with the advanced G-sensor feature, the device automatically records in the event of a collision or accident. In conclusion, the Nextbase 622GW is a great option for enhancing your driving safety. With its 4K resolution, voice commands, and emergency location feature, it helps you feel safer on the road. Number 3. Nexar Beam. Let's talk about the Nexar Beam, an entry-level car camera with quite impressive features for its price. First of all, let's talk about the simplicity of the Nexar Beam. It's easy to set up, and once you start it, it works smoothly. Plus, it comes with great features like automatic recording, and you can immediately transfer the footage to your phone, along with GPS data. Speaking of GPS, providing this extra information is a great feature because it gives you additional details about where your videos were recorded. And guess what? There's also free cloud storage, meaning you can safely store all your video clips without taking up space on your phone. In terms of features, the Nexar Beam doesn't disappoint. It records in clear 1080p Full HD resolution, and its 135-degree wide-angle lens captures everything you need on the road. Plus, Nexar is a trusted brand when it comes to car cameras, so you can be sure you're getting a quality product. Setting up the Nexar Beam is pretty straightforward. With clear instructions and a handy app, you can get it up and running in just a few minutes. And once paired with your phone, that's it. The app itself is pretty good, although it might take a little getting used to navigating through your recordings. Even in bright daylight or low-light conditions, the Nexar Beam provides clear and sharp video. Plus, the associated GPS data adds credibility to your recordings. Overall, the Nexar Beam is a great option for anyone looking for a reliable and user-friendly car camera. Number 4. Thinkware F70. Firstly, Thinkware is one of the world's largest dashcam manufacturers, which shows that the F70 is a reliable option. It's quite successful in terms of price performance and includes the most important features: 1080p video resolution and collision detection. The F70 records video in 1080p resolution, also known as Full HD. This is sufficient for most situations and allows you to see important details like car plates clearly. Thanks to its 140-degree wide-angle lens, you can get a good view of the road ahead and your entire lane. Although it doesn't use a dedicated night vision mode with infrared light, the F70 adjusts its video settings at night to increase brightness and reduce noise. Exposure is also automatically adjusted to counter strong sunlight and dark tunnels. Videos can be recorded continuously, automatically, in the event of a collision, or manually with the press of a button. Videos are split into 60-second chunks and organized chronologically on the microSD card, making it easy to find the footage you're looking for. The F70 is quite small in size. While some cameras can be bulky, this one is almost unnoticeable and easy to install. The camera is designed to fit behind the rearview mirror of most vehicles. Another advantage of the F70 is the GPS module. This optional module, which can be purchased separately, adds location and speed information to the videos recorded by the camera. This way, you can receive alerts for speed cameras and average speed cameras. Lastly, the F70 features a low-energy parking mode. When the vehicle is parked, the camera operates at 1/3 of its normal power consumption and only records video when an impact is detected by the camera's G-sensor. In conclusion, the Thinkware F70 is a reliable, easy-to-use dash cam with important features. Number 5. Miofive 4K. Let's take a look at the features that set this dash cam apart from the crowd. First off, let's talk about its impressive features. The Miofive 4K dash cam grabs attention with its elegant design and superior video recording capabilities. Equipped with a powerful Sony sensor and 64 GB of internal storage, it's geared to capture high-quality footage even in challenging conditions. Setting up this dash cam is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly design and clear instructions. With features like driver alerts and a companion app, you can customize your experience and get the most out of this stylish device. Speaking of design, the Miofive 4K dashcam looks as good as it performs. Its landscape-oriented shape is sleek and modern, making it a seamless addition to your car's interior. Despite having a wider body compared to other models, it remains discreet and won't clutter up your windshield. Installation is simple with an adhesive mount and a lengthy cable for a hassle-free setup. Plus, the included accessories like the adhesive pad and cable management tool ensure a clean and professional installation every time. Once it's up and running, the Miofive 4K dashcam impresses with its intuitive controls and convenient features. From the easy-to-use preview screen to the customizable settings in the app, every aspect of this dashcam is designed with the user in mind. And let's not forget about its performance on the road. With crystal-clear 4K resolution and advanced features like parking mode and time-lapse recording, the Miofive 4K dashcam delivers reliable footage that you can count on when you need it most. In summary, the Miofive 4K dashcam is a top-of-the-line device that offers everything you need for peace of mind on the road. With its sleek design, impressive features, and reliable performance, it's no wonder this dashcam is a favorite among drivers everywhere. And that wraps up today's video. We hope we were able to assist you in choosing the best 5-car cameras. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment about the products you'd like me to review. Until the next video, stay safe and drive well.